Collins Okaka.
Waringo dhi nyaka kadhodho mchumbi kwa Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto koro kwayo riwruog joyal buche mondo mi oket maino tiyo gi lony mag mbui manyasani e kedo kod timbe njore. Achiel kachiel kuwuok e kaunti ma Mombasa, George Aoko miyo ler mathoth.
I want to encourage prosecutors, the directors of public prosecution in our Commonwealth, to leverage on technology and to see how we can better use technology, especially when we are tackling crimes that go beyond physical borders.
Mano Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kajiwo joyal buche mondo miyo ng'aw chenro mekgi e yor tiyo gi lony mag mbui kedo gi midhieche mopogore to chutho mago motenore gi timbe njore.
Some of those crimes are committed with the support of technology, and it therefore makes sense for us to leverage on technology to deal with the challenges that today face our nations. As technology is abused by criminals and people engaging in crime, how do we better use technology to enhance the efficiency and the efficacy of what we are doing in matters prosecution and ensuring that there is the rule of law?
Mana kaka pinje mamoko, Ruto koni piny Kenya en achiel kuom pinje ma jonjore osebedo ka geto ka thothgi gin mago mang'ado kiyo kuwuok e pinje maoko makelo mwandu maoko puodhi, yedhe mamero ji kaachiel kod mago mathedho omenda e yo moko winjore.
Crimes such as money laundering, terrorism, and terrorism financing, including human trafficking, pose serious and escalating risks to our countries, our regions, and to the global community. The perpetrators of these crimes operate under borders, across borders, moving people, goods, and illicit money through shadowy networks, whether by smuggling narcotics between nations or trafficking vulnerable individuals across continents and laundering dirty money through intricate offshore systems.
Ogai mar jomin buche pacho ka Renson Ingonga ne okoni geno margi en ni romono mane okelo kanyakla jogo manie sekta mar doho mowuok e pinje mopogore biro nyuolo lemo koketi tim moko kuom winjruoge mane gitimo mar tiyo kanyakla.
Prevention, resilience and partnerships must remain at the heart of combating money laundering, terrorism financing and transorganized crimes. Let us carry forward the spirit of cooperation and shared commitment to justice that has defined our time together.
Neredi Ramogi e kaunti ma Mombasa and George Aoko.